Do you want to create realistic water in Blender? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to ModelCraftedHub, and let's make realistic water in Blender. First, delete everything in our scene. Then add a cube and scale it by 5. Bring the cube on top of the surface. Go into wireframe mode and add a spear. Bring the spear on top of the cube from the inside. Click the spear, go into the Physics tab and click on Fluids. Turn the type to Flow. Turn the flow type to Liquid and the flow behavior to Inflow. Click on the cube and go into the Physics tab. Click on Fluids and turn the type to Domain. Turn the domain type to Liquid. You can change the resolution division to increase the quality of your water. Make it that the resolution is something that your PC can handle. Then scroll down and click on Mesh. Under Mesh, increase smoothing positive to 2. Then in Cache, you can click on the file icon to save your render animation at the end. Then you can set the end frame to make the animation shorter or bigger. Make sure your timeline is the same as the start and end frame from the cache. Then turn the type to All. Click Bake and wait for Blender to bake your water. After you are done, let's add materials to our Blender. First, click the water, go into the Materials tab and click New. Change the surface from Principled BSDF to Glass BSDF. Turn the roughness to 0 and IOR to 1. Now let's add some lights. First, add a plane and scale it. Go into Edit mode and extrude the line behind the water. Go into the Modifiers tab and add the Bevel modifier to make the plane smooth. Then add Area Light. Scale it and place it above the water. Increase the brightness. Duplicate the light and bring it in front of the water. Scale the duplicated light and rotate it towards the water. Increase the intensity too. Now go to the Render tab and turn the render engine from EV to Cycles. Now let's add a camera. Add a camera to your scene. Right-click on the camera and click on Set Active Camera. Open the sidebar panel and go to View. Click on Set Camera as View. Then move your camera to where the water can be seen. Before rendering, go into the Output tab and turn the file format to FFmpeg Video and Output. Scroll down and in Video, turn the quality to High Quality. After you're done, let's render it. Click on Render on the top left of your screen. Then click on Render Animation. This will take some time, or maybe a long time. You just have to wait. Well, we are done. This is how the water should look. Thanks for watching. Here is a random video. Until then, bye.